Dear students, today we are going to solve exercise 1A, question number 1. It's book D4, 8th edition. So this is the chapter about further sets. What is set? First of all, I am going to explain you what is set. Set क्या होता है? Set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects is called set. A collection of well-defined and distinct object. What is the collection of well-defined and distinct? For example, I am writing a set over here. This is a set 1 2 3 4 5. So this is a set. The numbers are well defined है. इसमें देखिए सारे नंबर 1 2 3 4 5 एक एक क्वांटिटी है, वेल डिफाइंड भी है. डिस्टिंक्ट मीन्स एक दूसरे से डिफरेंट है. सो दिस इज अ सेट. अब मैं एक और सेट बनाऊंगी 1 2 3 2 4. सो this is not a distinct. These are well defined, but they are not distinct because 2 is used 2 times. So this is not a distinct set. So this is not a set. Set is a collection of well defined and distinct objects. So further जो concepts इसमें set में बहुत से और भी different चीज़ें हैं वो हम पढ़ते जाएंगे, question solve करते जाएंगे तो आपको automatically समझ आता जाएगा. तो let's move to part 1. So this is question number 1. It is given that A is equals to 1 2 3 4 and 7 and B is 2 4 8 and 10. Part 1 is list all the elements of A and this is the symbol of intersection. A intersection B in set notation. So we have to find out A intersection B. This is the symbol of intersection. Intersection means the elements that are common in A and B both. So I am writing over here A intersection B is equals to, first I am writing set A. What are the elements of set A? 1 2 3 4 and 7. And the elements of set B are 2 4 8 and 10. I have written over here elements of set A, sign of intersection, and the elements of set B. Now I have just to write the answer. What are the common? 2 is the common in both, so 2. Now 3 is not in both. 4, yes, 4. 1 2 3 4 7 and no other element is repeated. Only 2 and 4 is repeated, so 2 and 4 is our answer. We have done part 1. This is our part 1. Part 1 is completed. Now move to part 2. Draw a Venn diagram to represent the set A and B. एक Venn diagram बनानी है जिसमें एलिमेंट सेट A और B के हमें ड्रॉ करने हैं. ओके, सो यू नो Venn diagram इस तरह से होती है. दिस इज अ Venn diagram. दिस इज A एंड दिस इज B. A के एलिमेंट्स है 1 2 दोनों में है इसलिए हम 2 यहाँ लिखेंगे. 3 4 दोनों में कॉमन है and 7. Now elements of B, 2 already written. This is the part of 2 is the part of set A as well as set B. 4 is the part of set A as well as set B. So 8 and 10. So we have done question number 1. Now move to question number 2. This is question number 2. It is given that C is equals to blue, green, yellow, orange, red and pink, and D is equals to yellow, pink and blue. List all the elements of C intersection D in set notation. So we have to again solve in the same way that we have done in the part 1. This is C intersection D. We have to find out C intersection D. आपको मैंने बताया था this is the sign of intersection. Intersection means the elements that are common in both sets. So what are the elements of set C? Blue, green, yellow, orange, red and red, pink. Okay, this is set C1 and then this is a sign of intersection and these are the elements of set D, yellow, pink and blue. We have written. Now find out the common that are in both sets C and D. So blue is not in both, green is not in both, yellow is in both, so we have to write yellow over here. Sorry, blue is over here. Blue is in both. Blue is in both, C and D both. So blue is also over here. And the last is orange is not in both, red is also not, but pink is in both. So we'll select pink. So we have done part 1. Now move to part 2. This is draw a Venn diagram to represent the sets C and D. So we have to draw Venn diagram. This is a Venn diagram, C and D. So the elements of C are blue. Blue we'll write over here, blue, and green. Green is only in C. Yellow is in both, so we'll write over here. And orange over here. Red is also over here, and pink is in both. And here yellow, pink and blue. Yellow, pink and blue. All are. So we have done question number 2. Thanks for watching my channel.